So when I talk to people about the Bible and how it tells us that we need to be sinless and that we need to obey God, a lot of times they bring up that everyone makes mistakes and everyone's a sinner. And what they do is they tie sinner and mistake as the same thing. They try to make it seem like sinners, if you sin, it's just a mistake that you're making. And I want to talk about that because it's not the case. When someone commits sin, when someone tells a lie, when someone steals, when someone goes and cheats on their wife, they're not making mistakes. It's not this, oh, whoa, how did this happen? How did I end up cheating on my wife? Oh, wow, how did I end up killing someone? Sin itself is not a mistake, it is a choice. And people need to stop viewing sin as just these mistakes that we make, because lying's no mistake. You choose to lie. When you're committing that action, it's not a, oops, how did I do this? No, your conscience is red light going off in your head. You know what you're doing is wrong, yet you continue to do it. God gave you a conscience so you would be with knowledge. So why? As Romans 1 says, you're without excuse. The only reason that you sin is because you choose to. There's no, oops, I made the mistake. There is a difference between mistakes and choices. You're in control of your own choices. You're in control whether you lie to someone or not. You're in control whether you take something that doesn't belong to you. You're in control of where your eyes look and what you think about in your head. You're in control of yourself. So make the choice to either follow Christ or make the choice to follow your sin. I want to hear in the comments, if you disagree with me, why you can't stop sinning, why you don't have control over your own body, and why somehow God's going to hold you accountable for something you can't control. Because the only way God's going to hold you accountable is if it's for something you can control. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. I know it was kind of short, but I really just wanted to put that out there. It's been something I've been thinking about for a while and really wanted to share with you guys. But something else I wanted to share with you is that now I am part of the Amazon Affiliates program. So simply put, if you buy something from one of the links that I have down below in the description, Amazon pays me a small commission at no extra cost to you. Now everyone buys stuff like toilet paper, garbage bags, toothpaste, toothbrushes, etc. from the store on a regular basis. But instead of going to the store, if you'll buy those items through the links that I have down below in the description, Amazon's going to pay me a commission. It's going to help support the channel. So if you would please consider doing that, I have all different types of items linked down below that are regularly bought by people. If you will buy those items through my description instead of going to the store and buying them, you'll really be helping out the channel, and it really is going to help me to make more videos on this channel. So please consider doing that. I'd really appreciate it, and yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video.